trees are among the most remarkable and stunning creations on Earth. With their diverse shapes, sizes, and unique characteristics, each tree has its own charm. Picture yourself strolling through a forest, surrounded by trees that seem to have sprung from the pages of a fairy tale. Some trees amaze us with their massive size and ancient age, while others captivate our hearts with their vibrant colors and breathtaking beauty. Scattered across the globe, these extraordinary trees each tell a story of their own, standing as symbols of nature's diversity and magnificence. Let's take a journey to uncover some of the world's most incredible trees and the tales they have to share. Old Tjikko, Sweden. Nestled on Fulufjallet Mountain in Sweden is Old Tjikko, a clonal Norway spruce that holds the title of one of the world's oldest trees. Estimated to be about 9,560 years old, this remarkable tree regenerates itself through its root system, sprouting new trunks and branches as older ones die. Discovered in 2004 by scientists studying ancient forests, Old Tjikko has survived extreme conditions, enduring cold winds and low temperatures. Despite its ancient roots, the visible tree is relatively small, standing just 5 meters tall. Its resilience in such a harsh environment makes it a symbol of nature's incredible durability. Deadvlei trees, Namibia. In Namibia's Namib Desert lies Deadvlei, a hauntingly beautiful salt pan dotted with ancient camelthorn trees. These trees, believed to be over 900 years old, stand as stark blackened silhouettes against the brilliant white of the salt pan and the fiery orange dunes. Although the trees no longer receive water due to climate changes, their twisted forms have been preserved by the desert's extreme dryness. This surreal and striking landscape is a dream for photographers and a wonder for nature enthusiasts. African baobab, Africa. Known as the Tree of Life, the African baobab is a giant among trees, thriving across the African continent. It can reach heights of up to 80 feet, with a trunk measuring as wide as 30 feet. This massive trunk serves as a reservoir, storing water to survive long droughts. The baobab's distinctive appearance, smooth, thick gray bark and branches that resemble roots, gives it an upside-down look. During the rainy season, it blooms with striking white flowers, while the dry season reveals its large, lush green leaves. The tree produces vitamin C-rich fruit called monkey bread, used in cooking, and its leaves and seeds are staples in traditional medicine. With its many uses and unique beauty, the African baobab is truly a symbol of resilience and abundance. Strangler fig. The Strangler fig earns its name from its peculiar and somewhat sinister growth habit. Starting as a seed perched on the branch of another tree, it sends down roots that gradually encircle its host. Over time, these roots grow thick and strong, wrapping the host tree in a dense embrace that can eventually lead to its demise. The host tree may become completely engulfed, leaving behind only the massive, intertwined roots and trunk of the Strangler fig. Also known as the Strangler tree or strangling fig, these trees are found in tropical and subtropical forests worldwide. They play a vital ecological role, offering shelter and nourishment to various animals, including birds and insects. Tree of Life, Bahrain. Standing alone in the desolate desert, Bahrain's Tree of Life is a natural wonder. Known as Shajarat al-Hayat in Arabic, this hardy mesquite tree has survived for around 400 years in one of the harshest environments on Earth, with no visible water source nearby. The Tree of Life reaches approximately 10 meters in height and provides welcome shade with its sprawling canopy. It has become a symbol of endurance and resilience, thriving against all odds in a barren landscape. Visitors are often awestruck by this solitary marvel that embodies life's tenacity. Kauri tree, New Zealand. The kauri tree, native to New Zealand, is one of the world's most ancient and majestic tree species. Scientifically known as Agathis australis, these towering giants can reach over 50 feet in height, with trunks exceeding 30 feet in diameter. Their thick, scaly bark offers protection against pests and disease. Some kauri trees are estimated to be 2,500 years old, and a few could be even older. Once abundant across New Zealand, these trees are now primarily found in protected forests. The Maori people highly valued kauri timber for its strength and durability, using it for construction and intricate carvings. Banyan tree, India. The banyan tree, also called the Indian banyan, Ficus bengalensis, is a fascinating and iconic tree native to India. Its uniqueness lies in its sprawling canopy and aerial roots, which grow from its branches and eventually reach the ground to form new trunks. This remarkable growth pattern creates a vast network of interconnected trunks and dense shade. Some banyan trees can cover several acres, forming an intricate and massive structure. Among them, the great banyan tree in Anantapur, India, stands out. Estimated to be around 250 years old, it spreads over an incredible 3.5 acres, embodying the tree's grandeur and significance. Sculptured trees, Australia. Sculptured trees in Australia are nature's masterpieces, with their twisted and contorted trunks and branches creating artistic, almost surreal shapes. Found mainly in Grampians National Park, Victoria, these trees owe their forms to the forces of strong winds, soil conditions, and age. The harsh environment has shaped them into living sculptures, each tree telling a story through its unique curves and bends. Not only are they visually captivating, but they also showcase nature's ability to transform ordinary trees into extraordinary works of art. Wonyana tree, South Africa. The Wonyana tree, also called the Watsonia pa tree, is a striking and unusual tree found in South Africa. Known for its massive seed pods, which resemble something out of a science fiction tale, the tree is as functional as it is visually distinctive. Its broad canopy and rugged bark give it an imposing presence, while the large seed pods play a vital role in reproduction, helping the tree spread across savannas and arid landscapes. Thriving in warm climates, the Wonyana tree is a fascinating example of nature's adaptability and uniqueness. Dragon tree, Canary Islands. The dragon tree, or Dracaena draco, is a captivating species native to the Canary Islands, famous for its umbrella-like canopy and distinctive red resin known as dragon's blood. This resin, historically used as dye and medicine, flows from the bark when it is cut, adding to its allure. With a thick, bulbous trunk and branches that spread outward like a dragon's tail, the dragon tree boasts a unique silhouette. These trees can live for centuries, with some believed to be over 1,000 years old, making them timeless icons of the islands. Yoshino cherry, Japan. The Yoshino cherry, Prunus yetoensis, is a breathtaking tree native to Japan, celebrated for its delicate pink blossoms that bloom every spring. These blossoms create enchanting landscapes in parks and gardens, drawing crowds for hanami, the cherished tradition of cherry blossom viewing. Growing up to 30 feet tall, the Yoshino cherry boasts a wide, spreading canopy that enhances its beauty. Its popularity extends beyond Japan, with notable plantings in Washington, D.C., where it plays a central role in the National Cherry Blossom Festival. Royal Poinciana, Madagascar. The Royal Poinciana, also known as the flamboyant tree, is a spectacular sight native to Madagascar and other tropical regions. Its blazing red flowers bloom in vibrant clusters, earning it the nickname flamboyant tree. These fiery blossoms, with their 5 delicate petals, create a dazzling visual display. This tree features a wide-spreading canopy that provides ample shade, making it a favorite for parks and gardens. Its delicate, feathery leaves enhance its elegant appearance. Growing up to 40 feet tall with an expansive spread, the Royal Poinciana is an unmistakable centerpiece in any tropical landscape. Maple tree, Canada. The maple tree, a symbol of Canada, is famous for its breathtaking autumn transformation. As fall approaches, its leaves burst into vivid shades of red, orange, and yellow, creating a mesmerizing display of color. Beyond its beauty, the maple tree is cherished for its sap, the key ingredient in maple syrup, a sweet treat beloved worldwide. Recognized by its distinct 5-lobed leaves, the maple tree is also immortalized on Canada's national flag. These trees can soar to heights of 100 feet and thrive in temperate climates, often gracing forests and parks. Depending on the species, they are sometimes called sugar maples or red maples, but all share the same timeless charm. Silk tree, China. The silk tree, also known as Albizia julibrissin, is renowned for its delicate beauty and striking blooms. Its soft, fluffy pink flowers, resembling silken puffs, grace the tree during summer, attracting pollinators like bees and butterflies. With elegant, fern-like leaves that fold at night or during bad weather, the silk tree adds charm even when not in bloom. It thrives in diverse soil types, growing quickly to heights of up to 30 feet. Frequently planted in parks and gardens, the silk tree is admired for its ornamental appeal and generous shade. Wollemi pine, Australia. The Wollemi pine, Wollemia nobilis, is a living relic of the dinosaur age, dating back an astonishing 200 million years. Once thought extinct, this remarkable tree was rediscovered in 1994 in a remote part of Australia's Wollemi National Park. With dark green, fern-like foliage and textured, almost prehistoric bark, the Wollemi pine can grow up to 40 meters tall, around 130 feet. Its discovery was a scientific sensation, as this living fossil offers a glimpse into Earth's distant past. Jomon Sugi, Japan. The Jomon Sugi, located on Yakushima Island in Japan, is an ancient cryptomeria tree, Cryptomeria japonica, and one of the oldest trees in the world. Its name references the Jomon period, a prehistoric era in Japan, hinting at its incredible age. Though its exact age is debated, estimates range between 2,170 and 7,200 years old. Standing at an impressive height of 25.3 meters, 83 feet, with a trunk circumference of 16.4 meters, 54 feet, the Jomon Sugi symbolizes endurance and strength. Locally referred to as Yakusugi, meaning Yakushima cedar, this towering giant is a living testament to nature's resilience. Tuli tree, Mexico. The Tuli tree, or Arbol del Tuli, is a monumental Montezuma cypress, Taxodium mucronatum, found in Oaxaca, Mexico. Renowned for its extraordinary trunk, which measures an astonishing 42 meters, 138 feet. In circumference, it holds the title of the widest tree trunk in the world. Estimated to be between 1,200 and 3,000 years old, the Tuli tree stands as an ancient guardian in the town of Santa Maria del Tuli. Its bark showcases unique patterns and shapes that many believe resemble animals or faces, adding to its mystique. Moreton Bay Fig, Australia. The Moreton Bay Fig, Ficus macrophylla, native to Australia, is a majestic tree admired for its glossy green leaves and massive stature. Reaching heights of up to 60 feet, 18 meters, and spreading its dense canopy wide, it provides ample shade and is a favorite for parks and gardens. What sets this tree apart are its aerial roots, which grow down from its branches, creating an impressive natural structure. Its rough, textured bark enhances its striking appearance. Widely planted in urban landscapes, the Moreton Bay Fig is a beloved symbol of beauty and shade in Australian cities. The Bristlecone Pine, USA. The bristlecone pine, found in the White Mountains of California and other parts of the USA, is among the oldest living trees on Earth. These ancient trees can exceed 5,000 years in age, with some specimens earning the nickname Methuselah after one of the oldest known examples. Their gnarled, twisted shapes result from centuries of exposure to harsh weather and nutrient-poor soil. The dense, decay-resistant wood contributes to their remarkable longevity, allowing them to withstand millennia. Giant Sequoia, USA. The giant sequoia, Sequoiadendron giganteum, is a colossal tree species native to California's Sierra Nevada mountains. Renowned for their incredible size and age, these trees can grow over 300 feet, 91 meters, tall, with trunk diameters exceeding 30 feet, 9 meters. The largest giant sequoia, known as General Sherman, is the biggest tree on Earth by volume. These ancient giants, with their thick reddish-brown bark, are highly resistant to fire and pests, contributing to their lifespans of over 3,000 years. Wisteria tree, Japan. Renowned for its breathtaking cascading blossoms, the wisteria tree in Japan is a true marvel of nature. This flowering vine can be shaped into a tree-like form, and when it blooms, it transforms into a living curtain of vibrant colors: purple, pink, white, or blue. One of the most celebrated wisteria trees resides in the Ashikaga Flower Park in Tochigi Prefecture. Over 150 years old, this majestic tree spans an impressive area, creating a magical, fairy tale atmosphere. Late April to mid-May marks the peak of its blooming season, drawing countless visitors who come to admire its ethereal beauty and inhale its sweet fragrance. In Japanese culture, the wisteria tree symbolizes love and longevity, adding a deeper layer of charm to its allure. Angel Oak, USA. Located in South Carolina, USA, the angel oak is a towering southern live oak, believed to be over 1,400 years old. Standing 65 feet tall with a canopy stretching 89 feet wide, its sprawling, twisted branches form a vast, shaded sanctuary beneath. Named after its home, Angel Oak Park, this tree is often affectionately referred to simply as the angel oak. Its thick, deeply furrowed bark and dramatic, curling limbs are a testament to its resilience. Having withstood centuries of hurricanes and harsh weather, the angel oak is a powerful symbol of strength and endurance, attracting visitors eager to connect with nature's ancient history. Pando, USA. Pando, an extraordinary aspen grove in Utah, USA, is unlike any other tree on Earth. While it appears to be a forest of individual quaking aspens, it's actually a single organism connected by a vast underground root system. Spanning over 100 acres, this network is estimated to be around 80,000 years old, making it one of the oldest and largest living entities on the planet. The trees in Pando are genetically identical clones, sharing nutrients and supporting one another through their intertwined roots. This incredible collaboration helps the grove thrive in the harsh conditions of the Rocky Mountains, showcasing the power of unity in nature. Rainbow Eucalyptus, Philippines. The rainbow eucalyptus, also called the Mindanao gum, Eucalyptus diglupta, is one of nature's most colorful marvels. Native to the Philippines, this tree is celebrated for its vibrant, multicolored bark. As the bark peels, it reveals bright green layers that gradually transition to shades of blue, purple, and red, creating a stunning rainbow effect on its trunk. This visual spectacle makes it a favorite among photographers and nature enthusiasts. Standing tall at up to 200 feet, the rainbow eucalyptus thrives in tropical rainforests with warm, humid climates. Its brilliant colors and towering presence make it an unforgettable sight in its natural habitat. Cypress tree, USA. The cypress tree, particularly the bald cypress, is a distinctive feature of the American landscape, thriving in waterlogged environments like swamps and marshes. Its knobby, thick trunks often seem to rise straight out of the water, giving it an otherworldly appearance. One of its unique traits is the presence of igneous, spongy, cone-shaped growths that emerge from the ground around the tree's base. Scientists believe these knees help with stability and oxygen absorption in swampy soils. With feathery, needle-like leaves and a lifespan exceeding 1,000 years, the bald cypress, also known as the swamp cypress or water cypress, stands as a testament to resilience and beauty in wetland ecosystems. Quaking Aspen, USA. The quaking aspen, Populus tremuloides, native to North America, is a mesmerizing tree known for its shimmering leaves that flutter in the breeze, creating a gentle quaking motion. This characteristic movement is how the tree earned its name. One of its most fascinating features is its extensive root system, which connects entire groves into a single living organism. The largest of these groves, called Pando in Utah, is considered one of the heaviest and oldest living organisms on Earth. In autumn, the quaking aspen's leaves turn a brilliant golden yellow, lighting up the landscape and cementing its status as one of nature's most stunning spectacles. Ömur trees, Iceland. The Ömur trees, often referred to as dwarf or stunted trees, are a testament to resilience in Iceland's harsh environment. These trees grow in conditions where many others fail, enduring cold climates, strong winds, and volcanic soil. Their slow growth and twisted, stunted forms make them a striking feature of the Icelandic landscape. Though some only reach a few feet in height, these hardy trees can survive for many years. Their unique shapes and ability to thrive in such challenging conditions captivate both nature enthusiasts and scientists. Crooked Forest, Poland. The Crooked Forest, or Krzwy Las in Polish, is a mysterious grove located near the village of Żołądki in Poland. It is famous for its approximately 400 pine trees with oddly curved trunks that bend sharply to the north, creating an enchanting and puzzling landscape. Planted around 80 years ago, shortly after World War II, the origin of their unusual shapes remains unclear. Some theories propose that the trees were intentionally bent for practical uses like boat building or furniture. Others attribute the curves to environmental factors, such as heavy snow. Regardless of the mystery, the Crooked Forest is a fascinating destination, drawing visitors intrigued by its surreal and unique scenery. Eucalyptus tree, Australia. Native to Australia, the eucalyptus tree is a remarkable species celebrated for its peeling bark that reveals vibrant hues of green, orange, and blue. This natural display makes it a true wonder of the plant world. Some eucalyptus species grow to towering heights, with the tallest reaching over 300 feet. Their aromatic leaves produce a fragrant oil, widely used in medicines, cleaning products, and aromatherapy. Eucalyptus trees are highly adaptable, thriving in climates ranging from arid regions to lush forests. They are vital to ecosystems, providing habitat and food for countless animals. Notably, koalas rely almost entirely on eucalyptus leaves for sustenance. Hollow tree, USA. The hollow tree, also known as the tunnel log, is a famous giant sequoia in California's Sequoia National Park. This historic tree gained fame in the 1930s when a fire hollowed out its trunk. A tunnel was later carved through the tree, allowing cars to pass through, a unique and memorable roadside attraction. Despite the hollow section, this massive tree continues to thrive. Standing 275 feet tall with a trunk over 30 feet in diameter, it remains an awe-inspiring sight. The hollow tree is part of a majestic forest of giant sequoias, home to some of the largest and oldest trees on Earth. Thanks for watching.